So I have a pretty strong respect and commitment to Marcus Evans as a group. I've been involved with Marcus Evans on and off since I think about 2005. So almost 16 years now, and I don't know what number of event this is for me, probably 11 or 12 out of those 16 years. I think I've only missed 3 or 4. But this is a great forum. It's small, it's intimate, but it also brings in the people that are actually doing the implementation of the technology. The Aerospace Manufacturing Summit particularly is one where the people are actually making decisions and setting the course for how their companies produce what they are producing. So it's not purely executive level, it's very practical level folks that come together. And then the suppliers that come in meet that demand. And having that mix in, especially the sessions and the speaking engagements and things like that, are very, I think, valuable to the industry to hear those things come out, because it's sort of where the rubber meets the road. It's not the driver, it's not the road construction crew, it's where literally the industry sort of meets its objectives, and that's where this summit in particular, I think, makes a big difference.